It's really possible to make money with binary options using indicators. Yeah guys, it's possible. Now I'm gonna show you how to use this strategy and how to configure it. Okay? So the first thing, let's select candles and use the time frame M3. Alright? Now let's set up our indicators. Let's start with the moving average. Okay, and after Straff Trend Cycle or STC. Let's configure it. Let's use 20 on period X moving average. Okay. Select the best style for you. I like to use the 3 on thickness and yellow. Let's save. And STC 20, 40 for fast length is low lengthy. Cycle length 7, 2 MACD and 2 PF. And with this style. Alright. Right now, let's use the time in 5 minutes. Okay. Choose the best amount for you. I like to use, and I'm gonna use 300. And let's pay attention when you have the crossing line for the STC. Okay, and compare it if the moving average line. That's showing for us that will be great to use the buy button right now. The higher button. Okay, so let's wait for this and perform this entry together. Alright, let's go. Now just wait for the results guys, 5 minutes. Okay, and I'll be back soon. Let's wait for this right now. Alright, so 10 seconds for these results. We're gonna win this, your first entry. Alright, so look at this. Very good, 462. That again on this first entry. Alright, so just pay attention when you have the crossing line guys. It's very similar with the MACD. That strategy that I like to use, okay? That one right here, the MACD. So when you have the crossing line, that's showing for us a downtrend or an uptrend. And you can use the moving average line as well, okay? And you can use the previous 1 hour candles to compare with this one. Alright? Look at this. We have this candle and we can compare it with the 1 hour ago. Okay, I can give you exact instruction on how to do that. It only comes with experience and practice. Okay, but I can give you some advice. The best friend in this current chart is from the past hour. Alright guys, I was trying to identify another good answer for us. Okay, and as I said for you, to increase our chances to profits, you've got to look at the candles from the last hour, okay? If you see similar signals that were profitable in the past, you can probably make money again. But even with a simple strategy like this, there will be losses, and that's completely normal. That strategy has a 70% win rate. That means out of 10 higher quality setups, you get 7 win trade and 3 losses. Okay, so just look at this. That's showing for us for the moving average, and right now for the STC line, let's try to click on the sell button. Alright, and let's see what's happening with that. But remember guys, you can always make money with binary options, okay? And only those who know how to work properly will success here, okay? So now let's wait for these results. I'll be back soon. Unfortunately, guys, this is not respecting our indicator, but as I said for you, just it's normal and expected to lose sometimes. Okay, so now I will try to find another entry for us in the last. Okay, so let's try to do this. Alright guys, I find another one, but right now I use $450, okay, just to try to recover our money that I lost. Alright, so look this one. As you can see, guys, I want to say this strategy is pretty basic. With just 2 indicators, you can easily find and confirm signals. So this strategy can be a great foundation for beginners or even for experienced traders in binary option. Okay. So let's wait for the 22.15 to perform this entry. Alright, and let's try to do this together. Let's wait more 5 seconds. Okay, so now let's click on sell button and let's wait for the results. And guys, don't forget, I'm not making this video to make a read, but to share my experience and solutions that help me work and make profits. If you use them wisely, then it will definitely help you to make money. Okay? So now, let's wait for these results. I'll be back in soon. Okay? Hey, do you want to join a group where I share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Whoa, look at this, guys. 10 seconds remaining. And the candle is just respect right now the indicator, the STC 8640, guys. Look this, amazing. It's amazing profits, right? We just performed 3 entries, right? We got to 300, 450 or 2 entries. We lost one but recover with the last entry. Okay, and try to remember, guys, try to use this wisely. Okay, pay attention when they have a crossing line, pay attention on the move and average line. Alright, you can use that and make profits only with 2 indicators. Okay, as you see right now, I performed 3 entries and got 2. That was a great result for me. And this is a solid result. Okay? So act now. Let's make this together. And I wish you good luck, guys. More profits, great trading sessions, and big gains. Okay? See you soon on my lives and my Telegram group. And good operations for you guys. See you.